Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Keynsham today. This would be St Peter's Hospice, I think, with that colour label. 2 items, a Powerball. These were all the rage, I don't know, many years ago. I wonder if it's dated anywhere. £250 Pro Blue. I've never had one when they were all the rage. This one was 99 pence. Does that look like that's coming loose? Or is that supposed to be like that? It looks suspiciously to me like that might be broken. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to read the instructions. I've never played with one, so I've no idea. Doesn't look like anything much is happening there anyway. Auto power. Oh no, yeah, we have got some display come up there. I better read the instructions so I can figure out what we're supposed to do with it. Another bit of that red stuff in there. Congratulations, you've just selected one of the world's most perfectly balanced instruments. Your new NSD Powerball is a precision-crafted gyroscope. Yeah, okay. Speeds of up to 15,000 RPM, 250 Hertz. Starting it is quite easy, but will take a bit of practice. Step 1, insert one end of the cord into the hole in the rotor. Proceed to turn the rotor. Let's take that out again. Yeah, that's tied in a knot, isn't it? Right, stick one end in there. Okay. Stop winding, hold the ball with a digital counter buried in the palm of the hand. Okay. Hold the cord firmly and give it a quick sharp tug away from the ball, as if starting a lawnmower. Let rip here. But ensure you always pull it straight to minimise the opportunity for the cord to jam. Immediately turn your hand over so the exposed part of the ball is facing down, and begin to rotate your wrist, not your arm, in a slow circular motion, as if you were slowly stirring a large pot with a wooden spoon. Something like that. Let's just give it a gentle pull. Alright. Yeah, alright. I'm going to have to read up on that and see what we're supposed to do. I haven't got a clue. Right, okay, put that away. Only 99p that. This thing, I can't believe that I actually paid the money for it. £3.99, way more than I'd ever pay normally. But it is a construction set for a catapult launcher. You can also make a car with it. And a trike. Yeah, okay. But I thought the catapult might be interesting. My grandsons are on holiday at the moment, it's half term or whatever, so I thought it might be handy to have this available. So I'll have a look inside in a minute. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's other channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.